Howdy, another X update for you all. Now, if you're not familiar with my other videos, I've been giving X updates every now and then, every time there is a new feature added. Why? Because I sincerely think that X slash Twitter, formerly known as Twitter, will be a OnlyFans alternative. It could replace OnlyFans, but let's be honest, it won't. But it will be a fantastic OnlyFans alternative, and it will arguably be better because you can generate organic reach on there and convert them and sell to them all on the same platform. Unlike OnlyFans, where you need to market on other websites, on other social media platforms, funnel the traffic into your OnlyFans, and then you sell to them because you can't use hashtags or, get an organic reach. You can't find any people on OnlyFans unless they already know where you are, unless they're already subscribed, unlike Instagram or X. So that's why X will be a million times better, because you can find people on here, convert them to subscribers, and sell to them all on the same platform. Now, if you have seen my other videos, or if you haven't, they are missing a key ingredient. All right, so first of all, a little while ago, they introduced subscriptions. So I'm sure you're all familiar with Twitter, but if you're not, Twitter has been overhauled since Elon Musk purchased it. Now it's known as X. It's got this cool black background and stuff like that. And anyway, him and his team got to work adding features by the day. One cool feature they added was the ability for followers to subscribe to you. Now what this does is you choose a price. Those followers will subscribe, pay that price monthly, and then that allows them to see this little category here on your profile titled subs. And that means whenever you post there, only subscribers can see it. Sound familiar? So think of it like this. This category would be like your social media, and this category would be like your OnlyFans. So you can post your day-to-day life here, and then you can kind of draw them in, get them hooked, getting them wanting to see more. Then they can subscribe, and boom, suddenly they're on your OnlyFans seeing your NSFW content. But it's all on the same platform. Now, I want to show you an example. Here we go. So we got more Bronk Fox. She's a girl I know of in Australia. So she obviously, markets her OnlyFans and then funnels them, etc., using a domain name, which is pretty snazzy. And then she posts all her photos. Followers will go, wow, she's hot. And then they'll click on this and then go through to her OnlyFans. What she hasn't done, but I would really recommend her doing now, if not in the future, is enabling this subscription thing. So you can see on Elon Musk's account, he's got this subscription thing here. So what this girl can do, more Bronk Fox can do, is post all that, all those thirst traps, and then she can have that little subscribe button as well, just like Elon Musk. And rather than having to click on this website, click on another link, click on another link, and then subscribing to the OnlyFans, they can simply start drooling over these pictures, and all they have to do is click that subscribe button right there, and then boom, then suddenly they can see all that juicy content all on the same platform. Now you can do that already, but what they are missing is the key ingredient. The key ingredient is being able to sell pay-per-view content. So, being able to sell content in the DMs for money. That's where you should get to like 95% of your revenue from your OnlyFans accounts. If you're not, then you should really work on that or up your PPV prices or something. So X has just been missing that key ingredients, but because I follow them regularly, I like to know what they're up to because I find it really interesting and it has a lot of potential on this platform. I knew they were working on this, and sooner or later, they're going to be implementing like microtransactions. So from what I know so far is they're applying for, I don't know what the technical name is, but it's like a bank license or something, a money transfer license in all these states in the US, and they've already got permission from like half of them. So I'm guessing, when they've got permission from like the whole country, then I'm assuming you can like move money, use it as a bank or something. I'm not sure. But what made me want to do this video is a few days ago, they created this account. So X, the platform, created X payments. What does that mean? It means they must be getting close. Now, I'm not sure what this means exactly. It will mean that you can start paying for shit. But how can you start paying for shit? I'm not sure. But it doesn't take a Momo to realize that sooner or later they're going to implement microtransactions within the DMs, within your live feeds. And then once they do that, then it will be the alternative OnlyFans platform. So right now, you can already do it, but you can only make money from subscriptions. But as I said, where most of the money comes from is PPVs, and that is what X is missing. But when they registered this the other day, it made me think they must be getting pretty close. So I wanted to quickly make a video and let you guys know, look, I would start setting up on there, whether you're an OF creator yourself or whether you're a manager. I would start setting your girls up on X, start setting up a presence for them. And if you are an OF creator yourself, I would seriously start setting up a presence on here right now. Get familiar with their creator platform, which is how you create the subscriptions and that. And also they have ad revenue sharing. So if you make a post and ads get shown on it or in the comments, then you also get a cut of that. Now, obviously, if you're posting NSFW content in this subscription section, pretty sure you might not be seeing advertising in there, so I wouldn't really worry about that. I'm just saying that that's just another revenue stream. But obviously, we're all about OnlyFans, we're all about the PPVs and the subscriptions. So my message today is start setting up on X because they're getting close. I can smell it because they only registered this the other day, X payments, which means they're coming, baby. They're coming. Now, if you like my videos, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And if you want to know more about OnlyFans, OnlyFans management, how to market, or you just want to chat to me, join my Discord or join my forum in the links below. I'll see you in there. And as usual, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.